Oh, my baby boy. My baby big boy.
Shut up,
What are you
baby.
doing?
Oh, look here, baby girl.
Shut the fuck up.
So fucking hungry that I'm eating this.
Baby boy. That also tastes good, baby boy.
You put some chili in it too.
There's no chili.
Exactly.
We got no fork, so eat with that. Be careful, oh my gosh.
Move that fucking.
Don't you know how to?
No, I don't know how to eat this crap. It's bullshit.
Bullshit. You're at that
Bullshit.
age, you don't know how to eat that.
Bullshit food.
Oh, mukbangers. Mukbangers, my husband. Pasensya na kayo guys, ganyan siya kumain. It's because walang tinidor. So, spoon yung gamit niya. And he said he's very hungry. And
Hallo Kev, may hapos matin mayong.
and then siya guys, stranded kami dito sa loob. We're not allowed to get out. So, noodles muna tayo dong ha. Dong noodles ha. Oh, such a perfect eater. Mukbang. Seryoso ng pagmumukha ko. Thank you, Dong. I got new video for my YouTube. You are the mukbang king now of noodles.
Give.
What, Kib?
You give.
Kib? No, it's because I got an uncle and he cannot pronounce my name as CM. That's my nickname. And then he will always say, Kib. And that's so far from my real name. We'll just say, Kib. So now he's calling me Kib.
Give.
Yamsek?
It's bullshit.
It's yummy. Better than
It's
nothing.
called lucky me.
You're lucky you got that. Other people don't have food right now. Oh, such an expert ba? With sound effect pa, guys. What is it called when there's a sound? ASMR.
You should have been putting your mic to it, but you're.
No, it's
Once
fine.
again, you show yourself as a true amateur.
Shut up. You got a loud voice also. Oh, ASMR. Oh. Make some sound, Martin. My gosh. See, you like it. You like it. You said a while ago, he was like, no, I'm never gonna eat that. But now you're eating it. And you like it.
Out of hunger and desperation.
You're enjoying it.
See, why are you recording me when you're naked?
I'm not naked. Oh,
Put some clothes on.
I already got clothes on.
Just stop being annoying.
Martin, are you not used to it? I am annoying every single day.
Yeah, but at least not 24/7. Because you sleep like 12 hours.
Yeah, that's also right. Oh my god, this is really the best mukbang ever, though. Mukbang!
You want the soup?
No, I don't want. Player one eating noodles. Oh my god, there's a sound effect. ASMR.
Give me a paper.
Where's the please?
Please was left out.
What?
The please was left out.
Who left out where?
You take it in place. Give me paper.
Again. More. Again, more, I know.
Please, my darling, can you give me some gesture?
Okay. Then I'm gonna get it. Oi. How was your food? How was the food?
It was new. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Say bye bye to the viewers.
Bye bye, viewer.
Oh, mukbang again. Sound. Oh. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Till next mukbang video of the Big Daddy. Oh, maybe of the Big Sumo. Can also be the Rock and Roll Viking.
Thank you so much for watching the video. We really like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, make a comment on the below pillow or something. Do something with your life. Have a nice day. And remember, rock on, bitches.